up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop. Welcome to issues number 100 and 101 of Build the 1967 Mustang Eleanor from the film Gone in 60 Seconds by our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself, this beautiful 1/8 scale model, head over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building this beautiful, beautiful Ford Mustang, folks. So what have we got today for you? We are going to be putting in the windshield and the windshield frame, because in kit number 100 they send you the windshield and basically they say have a look at it and then put it away. Well, we don't want to do that, so we're going to also be putting in the frame. Now you'll get the windscreen wipers with this, but we're going to be putting them to one side and they'll be going in when we put in our vent plate. Okay, nice and simple. Tilt the windscreen in as it says there in the Mustang, and then we're going to be press fitting the frame in around it, so it actually then pinches the frame between the screen between the frame and the bodywork, folks. Okay, but make sure you tilt it in, put the pins in first and then click them into place. Now if you find that your windscreen frame is loose, you can use some PVA to retain it, and what I tend to use is the fast grab tacky glue. The reason I use PVA is super glue will fog the glass if you use it, so try not to use super glues. Try to use a PVA. If you haven't got any fast grab, put a bit of PVA on the frame, leave it until it gets a little tacky and then put it in. Okay, also you want to be wearing some rubber gloves so that you can not get fingerprints on the model. I've got a set of rubber gloves as well to one side. Okay, folks? So we'll put this to one side, the magazine. We'll dig our screen out. We'll bring the body shell over and we'll pop a bit of screenage in today, folks. Okay? So we've got our gloves. We'll just open up a knife and we'll bring in our screens. Okay? All right. We've got Eleanor's shell in, folks. So let's bring in the screen. Like that. And then our frame is going in these little squares. Okay, we're going in them first. Like so. That's that one in. That's that one in. Get the last one in the corner there. Like so. What we want. Go around and check. Feels a little tinsy-wincy loose. And then I want to tilt Eleanor up just to make sure that they're actually engaging. Like that. That's that one in. And you'll hear them click into place as they go in, but it's just a matter of rolling your fingers. But I shall actually come back and PVA this, folks. But that's pretty much what you want, okay? But you'll see that you do end up with a slight loose edge on one side there. So a little bit of PVA around that edge will just bring that into situ, folks, okay? And that is your windscreen. So there you go, folks. That's that issue done. Another step nearer completion. So, in the meantime, if you would like to grab one of these and build one of these beautiful, beautiful, iconic Ford Mustangs, folks, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link below in the description. And you too can be building one of these. Don't forget also to help me out, if you can just click little fester in the corner there and subscribe to the YouTube channel, I'll be immensely grateful. Also, ring the bell whilst you're there and select all. That way you'll get notified of future content. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. And I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.